In this video, I'll be going over our reverse engineering program. We here at Renegade Products manufacture home care cleaning chemicals and car care cleaning chemicals. We have our reverse engineering program, which costs $299. And essentially how the program works is you send us, first of all, you purchase the program for $299 on our website. Then you send us a sample of the product that you want us to reverse engineer. Then you send us a safety data sheet. Then we take all of that information, we review it with our chemist in our lab, and we create our first round of samples. We send it out to you for your testing and approval. If we get it on the first go around, then great. Then we can go ahead with quoting you on the actual product. Now I get a lot of people reaching out that are wanting to know what the costing is of the reverse engineering product that they're wanting to do, name XYZ chemical from XYZ brand. Basically, I cannot tell you what the cost of the product will be until we figure out the actual formulation. So when we're just having discussions about the reverse engineering program and you wanting to do a product, people want to know what are the costs. That way they can determine, okay, is this going to be something that's going to be feasible for me? I usually just tell people, look, it's going to be a minimum of probably at least $2,000, $1,500 to $2,000 for the first batch of products. Again, it can be a range of stuff. It could be more than $2,000. It just really depends on the formula that you're wanting us to reverse engineer. What are the raw materials that go into it? What are the costs? And of course, the minimums can fluctuate a little bit, but generally the minimum on anything that's reverse engineered is going to be 440 bottles if you're talking about 16-ounce bottles, or 1 drum worth of product. So whatever the drum equates out to, if you're talking about 32-ounce bottles, that would obviously be 220 units. So that's kind of the reverse engineering package. We've done tons of different products out there, although we do keep that confidential, for obvious reasons. But if you are curious on if we can reverse engineer a particular product, I encourage you to reach out to us first. Then I can let you know based on the kind of foundational chemistry that goes on with that particular product, if it's doable or not. There are some products that we're not able to do, say like, products that are paint correction polishes or things that have abrasive grains where it's really tough to measure if it's like a diminishing grain or if it's just a solid grain, and things that can get complicated. So I would encourage you to reach out to us, so then we can kind of let you know if the project is doable or not. Now, if we don't get it on the first go around, then we do allow a second round of samples. So if we don't get the formula exactly the way you want it on the first go around, we'll take your comments or suggestions into considerations. For instance, you want it to be more shiny or less shiny, or this color or that color, whatever it is. We'll do a second round of revisions and then send you the sample for that product then at that time. Then hopefully we're in the ballpark. Usually we get it on the first try, but if we don't, there is a second round of free samples that we will send you to make sure that we get it right on the second go around. Then from there on, we can go about quoting you on, again, the formulation based off of what you have approved. So if you have any questions on the reverse engineering program, I encourage you to check out the reverse engineering program page. There's tons of information there, Q&As, and I look forward to helping you out with your reverse engineering inquiry. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.